Hi crafters, Raquel here with Paints and Glitter. I'm just coming back with a quick little update from my live video. I had some little technical difficulties at the end, so I did want to come back and share with you what I actually finished with that crafty session. So I was sharing the die of the month from January 2024, Sitting Pretty from Spellbinders, and in that video I was sharing this is part of my flower series that I'm doing on this channel. And by the way, I will be holding a giveaway for a random subscriber or a random winner. You have to be a subscriber and just help me reach 5,000 subscribers on this channel. So long as you help me grow my channel, then of course you will be eligible for winning the prize, which is going to be a couple of goodies along with all of the flowers that I'll be sharing in each single one of those videos. So of course you can leave me a comment and let me know where you shared my channel, and then that way I can verify and you'll be entered. So what I shared in that video were the flowers that I created with this set, and it also does come with the cute little birds. So this was the first card that I had started crafting or creating in that video. But to finish it off, aside from the stamping that I shared in that video, I also wanted to share that I did create this little background here, which looks like some crackle. And that is using the distress strips from Tonic Studios, which is a lot of fun. And then the next card that I did manage to make was this one here. I had a lot of fun creating that. And that background here with that stippling, that also reminded me of like a crackled egg. I used this stamp for, and all I did was that I heat embossed it in white. Then this gorgeous embossing you see here was done with the Bed of Blossoms 3D embossing folder from Tonic Studios. And there you see another little scene. Then for all of these, I did use the stamps that I had mentioned in that video, which were from Papertrey ink and from Scrapbook.com, so that I could finish off those cards. Here's the next one. I think this one might be my favorite. I'm not sure. I'm torn between these two. With this one here has the one little bird peeking through, more of those little flowers, and then the background there is all done with Spellbinders dies that are older from my stash. I just really like that finished edge that it makes. And then here is one of those stamps also with the Psalms. I just really like sharing scripture, so that's why I picked up all of those stamps. And here's the last one. This one was not part of that video, but I wanted to share it because I had a lot of fun creating it. And this was done with the Botanical Beauty embossing folder. Absolutely stunning, from Tonic Studios. These are all, by the way, still available. Links will be in the description bar of my video. But here's that sentiment, which was another Bible verse, and then I did use some glimmer pen and alcohol coloring just on the edge of that. This particular panel was cut with a Papertrey ink die that I had shared in the live video, and then that beautiful embossing is what really catches your eye, and that was done, of course, with that folder, which I did add oxide ink to, as well as a hybrid ink from Tonic Studios. Then I used hybrid ink just in the center here of the flowers, but the entire background there was inked with the oxide inks from Ranger. Then I did use some Tonic Studios Embellishment Mousse to create that bright pearlescent blue splatter that is on that background as well. It adds just a perfect touch of glimmer that I love to add to my cards. So I had a lot of fun creating these. I would love to know your thoughts. Leave me a comment. Feel free to share this channel, as I had mentioned before, if you want to be entered to that giveaway. And I look forward to seeing who takes away all of those beautiful flowers. This was so much fun to create, and I had a lot of fun just adding all those little flowers to different cards and just spreading them about in different ways. So I'll be sharing these on social media. Of course, don't forget you can follow me on Instagram and on Facebook. I love to see what you make as well. So as I always say, I hope that you can be inspired and be blessed, and I thank you so much for watching.